Isn't it amazing to know that it's possible for you to become wealthy while you're still young? Some people in their 30s, like John Collison and Andy Fang, managed to become self-made billionaires. However, to reach this level of success, there are certain skills you must master early in your life. If you want to know more, then make sure to watch the video until the very end. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Great decision-making skills. If you want to be rich, you must master the skill of making the right decisions. You must have the ability to act quickly and favorably if you want to become wealthy in your lifetime. Other than making the right decisions, you also have to be decisive. There are times in your journey that will require you to make snap decisions regarding limited opportunities. If you keep on hesitating, time will pass to the point you will lose your chance. Making lists to help you assess your alternatives as well as connecting with the right people who may be able to offer advice are some of the ways to improve your decision making. Offering to lead initiatives that will allow you to exercise this ability is another. In order to further hone this skill, you should make sure that you're constantly researching the financial environment and the business you work in. Number 2, great self-awareness. Finding success in practically every area of life requires the ability to analyze your talents and personality objectively. You should be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. If you do, then you can work on improving your strengths and looking for ways to come around your weaknesses. Self-awareness can help you recognize your spending patterns and the situations in which you are most prone to make poor financial decisions. You may use those insights to put plans in place to stay out of such challenging circumstances. You may develop this ability by keeping track of your performance or by seeking input regarding your strengths and shortcomings from coworkers, family, and friends. Number 3, great communication skills. Millionaires and billionaires around the world generally have one skill in common, and that is excellent communication. Possessing excellent communication skills may help you persuade people to work with you and support your business. This is especially important when you work in a team. You must be able to sufficiently convey your thoughts and ideas so that you can help contribute toward group success. You should practice speaking and writing as much as you can and gain feedback. Watching and analyzing other individuals with good communication skills can also help you. Make sure you can effectively communicate through orally or through writing, and that you can maintain your composure when speaking in front of an audience. If you master this skill, you will eventually gain the charisma that will attract people's attention to you. Gaining hundreds of thousands of listeners is not even enough to faze you. Number 4, has confidence. Many individuals experience financial difficulties because they lack confidence in their capacity to make wise judgments. When the market is in a bad situation, they immediately panic because they're not confident that they can push through the situation. You must have confidence if you want to become wealthy. You have to believe in yourself. Believe in your capacity to launch and operate your own business. Once you develop your confidence, it can help you network with people who might be crucial to your success in the future. Confidence will help you achieve the success you've always wanted. If you want to improve your confidence, you must practice your skill or start something up away from your comfort zone. Learn the ins and outs to build your confidence so that if you encounter the same situation, you will know what to do. Number 5, great critical thinking skills. Scams usually happen because some people made deals that are often too good to be true. For instance, many fell for crypto scams because they hoped and thought that the scam coins will rise like Bitcoin or other great coins. These scam coins often rise constantly and have no decent qualifications to back them up. Later on, when the time is right, the creators of the coin will eventually cash out, which will cause the value of the coin to drop. Thus, to prevent financial loss, critical thinking is essential. You can't just blindly make transactions without knowing what you will really get and what benefit the other party will gain. You should make a prior investigation to know how things work before you continue. You can ask for a second opinion from experts or discuss with other interested parties. This is applicable not only in crypto but all types of investments. Number 6. High emotional quotient, or EQ. Having a high EQ can aid you in making connections, reducing stress, resolving conflicts, and satisfying involved parties. Additionally, qualities that are essential for handling the challenges and successes of running a business, such as perseverance and confidence, are fostered by high EQ. If you want to run the same lap as the rich, you must understand how to read body language, how to speak with diplomacy, and how to empathize, and more. The majority of this may be discovered by just observing those around you. According to statistics, people who have high emotional intelligence earn more than those who don't, amounting to $30,000 per year in difference. Therefore, understanding human nature is essential if you want to be wealthy. Number 7. Great time management. No matter what industry you work in, time management is the fuel to success. You can get more done in less time if you can wisely manage your time. This skill can be a challenging endeavor, but remember that if you have control over your time, you have control over your life. Once you master managing your time wisely and effectively, you will gradually accumulate free time with which you can use to do something else without negatively affecting your priorities. It can also help you brighten your outlook on life and prevent yourself from burning out. Number 8. Great leadership skills. In order to achieve success, millionaires and billionaires always take the initiative to become a leader. When challenging circumstances arise, they are aware of when to assume leadership and responsibility. They succeed and successfully reassure others that they are in capable hands. Leaders, after all, inspire, motivate, and encourage others while also training and guiding them. They take responsibility for their duties to ensure success. A real leader is one who gives others the confidence to achieve the seemingly impossible. Undoubtedly, some people possess qualities that make them excellent leaders from birth. An outspoken personality may make individuals feel at ease with others and empower them to take the lead. But it's crucial to remember that a lot of leadership abilities may be acquired through time. To succeed, all you need is the appropriate training and commitment. Being at this point in the video, we in EM3 are curious about which skills resonated with you and what you think should be added to the list. Thus, you are all welcome to put your thoughts and ideas in the comments down below. If you liked our content, you're welcome to check out our other videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.